Your machine is already compromised. They don't need your password. They take it straight from memory. lsass holds every credential, and right now, someone is dumping it. The log is a window into your network, a historical record. The more accurate the record, the better your defense, the better your response. It all starts with how you read it. We have a query. It detects the credential dumping attack. So what are you waiting for? Deploy the rule. Protect your network. The complete KQL query is in the description below. Copy it. Paste it directly into your Sentinel workspace right now. This video is your architectural overview. You have the code. Now we are going to break down the exact logic of why it catches attackers, operator by operator. Run the query, and let's dissect the footprint. The Local Security Authority Subsystem Service, lsass. It stores NTLM hashes, Kerberos tickets, plaintext credentials, everything an attacker needs to move laterally. And the tooling to extract it is not exotic. Mimikatz, ProcDump, Cobalt Strike's built-in module. All of them reach into the same process and pull memory to disk. The dump file hits the disk, a .dmp file, a mini dump, and then the attacker parses it offline. Credentials extracted, lateral movement begins. But here is what they do not control. Every access to lsass leaves a signature in Windows logs. Sysmin event ID 10. Process access. Every time a process reaches into another process, Sysmin records it. Source process. Target process. Granted access mask. When the target is lsass.exe and the access mask includes read permissions, you are looking at a credential dump in progress. But here is where most analysts trip. Windows is noisy. Legitimate processes touch lsass constantly. Defender, antivirus, even legitimate backup tools. Your KQL query has to separate the signal from the noise, and that starts with filtering the right log source. Open your Sentinel workspace. The table is DeviceEvents, not security event, not syslog. DeviceEvents. That is where Sysmin data lands from Defender for endpoint. Here is the base query. DeviceEvents, where ActionType, svchost, OpenProcessApiCall, where FileName, lsass.exe, where InitiatingProcessFileName, svchost.exe, where InitiatingProcessFileName, MsMpEng.exe. 3 critical filters. 1. We scope to process access events. 2. The target is lsass.exe. 3. We exclude system processes that legitimately touch lsass. This returns every unknown process that reached into lsass in your query window. But the raw result is only step 1. The real detection logic lives in what comes next. Now we enrich. Extend AccountName. Isempty AccountName. System AccountName. Project TimeGenerated DeviceName. Initiating process. FileName, initiating process. CommandLine, AccountName, initiating process SHA-256. Project gives us exactly the columns we need. DeviceName, the suspicious process. Its command line, the account it ran under, and its SHA-256 hash. If the command line contains R or MA, those are ProcDump flags. If it contains securelsa.logon passwords, that is mimikatz. These are not false positives. These are incidents. And here's where it gets dangerous. You must use time-generated, not timestamp. Timestamp is when the endpoint recorded the event. Time-generated is when the log arrived in Sentinel, when it was ingested into the timeline. In a credential dumping attack, seconds matter. If you sort by timestamp, you risk sequencing the attack chain out of order. The dump might appear before the access. The lateral movement might appear before the credential extraction. This breaks your incident timeline. It breaks your IR narrative. Use time-generated, always. Let that land. A single column choice determines whether your investigation holds together or falls apart under scrutiny. Back to the query. You will get noise. IT tools. RMM agents. remote desktop software. They all touch lsass legitimately, so we add a lookup. Where not initiating process HA256 in whitelist hashes. Build a watch list. Populate it with the hashes of known good tools in your environment. Then filter them out. The result is a hunt that runs clean. No alert fatigue. Every result demands investigation. This is the query you deploy as a scheduled analytics rule. Deploy this rule. Set the run frequency to every 15 minutes. Map it to the credential access tactic in MITRE ATANK T103-01. Configure your incident settings, and then hunt. lsass dumping is not a theoretical threat. It is happening, right now, on networks that do not have this rule deployed. The question is not whether attackers will try it. The question is whether you will see them when they do. This is a dark cyber expose. And this one is real. Subscribe now to learn more about cybersecurity.